In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a duplicate task on Wrike. Whether you're managing projects or simply organizing your work, knowing how to duplicate tasks efficiently in Wrike can be incredibly beneficial. It saves time, maintains consistency across tasks, and is perfect for when you have tasks that repeat often with only minor changes. To begin, you'll want to log into your Wrike account. Head over to the Wrike website and enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard displaying various projects and folders. Navigate to the project or folder where your original task is located. This step is crucial because your new, duplicated task will begin its life here. If you have a well-organized project directory, this should be fairly straightforward. Next, once you've located the task you wish to duplicate, look towards the right-hand side of the task title. You should see the three-dot menu, sometimes known as the More Options menu. Click on this. A drop-down menu will appear, presenting several actions you can take. Among these options, look for and click on the Duplicate option. This is where the real magic begins because it allows you to replicate the task almost exactly as it exists. After selecting to duplicate, a new window or sidebar will appear, prompting you to customize what parts of the original task you'd like to carry over. For example, do you want to keep the task description, the assignees, attachments, and even subtasks? Consider what makes sense for your workflow. Will the start and end dates remain the same, or should they be shifted to new dates? Also, think about any dependencies. Do link tasks need to be carried over as well? Once you've selected which components you wish to duplicate, the next step is determining where the new task should reside. Wrike will prompt you to select a location for your new task. This could be within the same project or perhaps under a different folder structure. Having a clear idea of your project organization will make this decision easier. Finally, everything is set, and you can proceed by clicking the Duplicate button. This action will create a copy of your original task with all the selected components that you opted to carry over. Congratulations, you've successfully duplicated a task. Now take a moment to review the new task to ensure everything copied over as expected. It's always a good idea to make any immediate edits if necessary, adjusting details to fit the new context or updating relevant information. In conclusion, duplicating tasks in Wrike is a straightforward process that enhances efficiency and project management capabilities. With practice, this will become a seamless part of your workflow, enabling you to manage your projects with ease. Thanks for watching, and happy task managing!